गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज जो हम चैप्टर 1 सम बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री क्लास 11th का बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक मोल कंसेप्ट के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं। ओके बच्चों, तो मोल कंसेप्ट के बारे में सबसे पहले हम शुरुआत करते हैं। हमने कक्षा की शुरुआत में हमने पढ़ा होगा मोल क्या है। 7 जो बेसिक फिजिकल यूनिट्स हैं, हमारी ऐसा यूनिट्स हैं, उनमें एक अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस थी जिसकी ऐसा यूनिट मोल थी और जिसका सिंबल क्या है, MOL, मोल है। तो शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले 4 एटॉमिक सब्सटेंसेस जैसे कि सच एज सोडियम, हाइड्रोजन, कैल्शियम, सिल्वर एट्सेट्रा। 1 मोल ऑफ एटम इज इक्वल टू ग्राम एटॉमिक मास। For example, 1 mole of atom in terms of masses is equal to their gram atomic mass, and in terms of number of atom, 1 mole of atom is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atom. Okay, now move to the next topic. For molecular substances, molecules just like H2, CO2, HCl, etc. You know many more. 1 mole of molecule in terms of mass is equal to its gram molecular mass. For example, 1 mole of H2O. 1 mole of H2O means its molecular mass. So what is the molecular mass of H2O? 2 into 1 plus 16. Okay, is equal to 80. This is the gram molecular mass. So for molecular substances, 1 mole of molecule is equal to gram molecular mass, and in terms of number, 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay, and if molecule is a gas, then 1 mole of that gas is equal to 22.4 liter of gas at standard temperature and pressure. STP means standard temperature and pressure. And what are the conditions of standard temperature? It is 298 Kelvin, and for the pressure it is equal to 1 atm atmospheric pressure, or approximately equal to 1 bar. These are the units for pressure, which are nearly equal to each other. Okay, and then we move on to the next that is for ionic compound. 1 mole is equal to formula unit mass of that compound. Just like 1 mole of NaCl means formula unit mass of that compound. Formula unit mass, formula. And what is the atomic mass of sodium? It is 23. And what is the atomic mass of chlorine? It is 35.5. Then the formula unit mass of the NaCl is equal to 538.5 or 58.5 formula unit mass. Okay, and if we talk about number, then 1 mole is equal to 1 mole is also equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 formula unit mass of the formula unit of the compound. Okay, and then how there is a formula. There are formula for calculation of number of moles. Okay, there are moles. How to calculate moles? Okay, students, you have read in 9th class how to calculate moles. Okay, let me remind you once again. Moles is defined as the given mass of the substance divided by molar mass, and the symbol for moles is N, and the given mass of substance, that is W, that is given in the question, and molar mass is of that substance. Okay, whether it is a atomic substance or whether it is molecular or whether it is a ionic compound. Okay, then there is again one more formula for calculation of moles in terms of number. Okay, number of moles is equal to given number of entities divided by Avogadro's number. Here are the symbols of moles. Symbol for moles is N, and the given number of entities is denoted by capital N, and Avogadro numbers is denoted by N naught. Okay, and N naught, the value of N naught is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, students, pause the video and write down this in your notebook, and then we will move on to the to how to solve the problem on mole concept. Okay, students, let us try to solve a problem on mole concept. First problem is calculate the mass of an atom of silver. Okay, and in bracket we have been provided the atomic mass of silver. Okay, then from this information we can write 1 mole of silver atom weighs 108 gram. Since atomic mass of silver is 108 U. Therefore, 1 mole of silver atom weight is equal to 108 gram. In mole concept, we have read 1 mole is equal to their atomic mass or molecular mass. Okay, then from 1 mole, how many entities are present in 1 mole? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 of silver atom weighs will be equal to 108 gram. Then, and we have to calculate an atom, mass of an atom, single atom, and there are so many atoms, and how many, and they are equal to Avogadro number. Okay, 1 mole, and we have to find out only we have to find out only mass of an atom, single atom. Then 1 atom of silver weighs will be equal to 108 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Then 108 6022 into 10 to the power minus 23. 10 to the power 23 goes upward and power becomes minus 23, and then 6.022 becomes 6022 and power goes upward. Okay, then simply divide the number 108 by 6022, and it will to 16022 887 10 to 8 9 to 7 707 10 6 4. Okay, and here this 0 come here 0, then 3 6 7 ja. Okay, 7 ja 7 2 ja 14 1 7 to the 14 15 1 5 and 7 6 is 42 6 7 5 2 7 1 6 7 2 5 and then 0 and again 0 to 6 9. It goes 9 17.9 into 10 raised to power minus 23, and then it will become 1.79 into 10 raised to power minus 22. Okay, these are the answers. Okay students, the next problem is calculate the mass of a molecule of carbon dioxide CO2. Okay, molecule of CO2. We are provided a molecule of CO2. First we calculate molecular mass of CO2 because CO2. The molecular mass of CO2 will be sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in the molecule. Okay, atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16 multiplied by 2, because there are two number of atoms of oxygen. Okay, then 12 plus 32 is equal to 44U. Okay, 44U. Then from mole concept we knew that 1 mole of CO2 weighs 44 gram. 44 gram, and in 1 mole also we also know that since we know that we may write also, we know that 1 mole of CO2 consists of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay, then we can say 1 mole of CO2 consists 6.022 into 23 molecules. We can also say that 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of CO2 will weigh 44 grams. Then 1 molecule of CO2 will weigh 44 divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to power minus 23. Okay, 44 into, sorry, please correct this, 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 becomes minus 23. 6022 point removes, and then raised to power 3. Okay, dys. Students, do yourself calculation. It's very easy in a simple way as we have solved earlier. Okay.